Hi crafty friends, how's everyone doing today? It's Sylvia. Welcome back to my channel, Scrapping Sylvia. And if you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe. And if you like this video, please like and comment. So today, guys, we're going to do an unboxing from a company called Oraloa. Let your creativity sparkle. Okay, and it says premium diamond painting, and it comes in a very cool, love the colors on the box. That's the picture of the beautiful painting. Over here it says all-inclusive premium kit, happiness guarantee, canvas, cotton, 100% natural. That's cool. Okay, and again, let your creativity sparkle. Love that. And then in the back it has the instructions step by step, and I believe it's in English and in French. All right, now this one, sorry about my nose, is a little stuffy today. This one is called Princess of Roses, but as you can see, I believe this is in French. Princesses des Roses. I don't know if I'm probably, yeah, I'm sorry. And it's Laure, the artist, her name is Laure Phelipon. I'm hoping that I said it correctly. All right, so we're gonna open this baby up. Oraloa, they sell, I love the size of this painting. They sell diamond paintings, mystery boxes, and they also sell tools and accessories like trays and pens and so on. I think they also have cover minders. Look at this. I thought it would be a little bigger, but okay, it's a good size, especially if you're traveling. All right, so it comes, as you can see, in a plastic bag. Let's open this baby up. Oops, sorry about the noise. Let's see. I'm gonna have to slide it down. Okay, there it goes. All right, here we have the drills. It looks like they're in order. Very beautiful colors. Look at those colors. Okay, we'll look at that in a second. And then this is the toolkit. Does it come with a, yep, with a sticker. Let's see. It's in here. It's in here. All right. Okay. So this is the instructions. Let your creativity sparkle. I love this. Okay. You have it in English, French. I think this is German and Spanish. And then the instructions again, and tips and tricks. Pretty cool. It's like a little pamphlet if you fold it in half like this. See that? Very nice. I'm gonna put that aside. And here we have the sticker. Oh, look at that. Look how shiny that is. I love it. That's pretty cool. Wow. This is a really cool sticker sheet. I love it. Okay, and it's by Laure Phelipon, Princess des Roses, Princess of Roses. And isn't she pretty? Look at her. And then it tells you the size. And then, of course, it has the pre-cut stickers. This is for the containers. And it has, as you can see, 31 colors. And it looks like it has 1, 2, 3, 4 ABs and 1 special diamond. Love that it has 1 through 8. And then it has the alphabet. And then some symbols. Okay, very, very clear. Love this sticker sheet. Pretty cool. All right, and then this is the toolkit. It's a big one too. Let's see what's in here. If I can get it out. Ooh, cards? What is that? Okay. Pretty cool toolkit, guys. Wow. Okay. So this is a funnel. As you can see, this is washi tape. It says Oraloa on it. You have some adhesive. And let's not forget that it has the wax. This is wax, blue wax, and it has a plastic. So make sure you peel it back. And it's got a diamond pen. This is a single placer. I believe this is for 3. And this might be for 6. So you got 2 multi-placers and a single placer. You got a comfort grip. This is for the pen. Let's see if I can slide it on. Sometimes I can and sometimes I can't. So I think this is good. And this is supposed to help with your hands. You have the tray and some purple tweezers. Very sharp, so be careful. Then you have some stickers. Pretty cool. Hawaiian Oraloa longboard. It's a little turtle. And then this is thank you, merci, danke, gracias, obrigado. Obrigado is Portuguese. Gracias, Spanish. Merci, I believe that's French. And danke, that could be Swedish or German. I'm not sure. Okay. Oh, look at this. I gotta try that to win. And oh, this is so cool. You can turn this into a cover minder. Okay, very nice. It's different, you know? I love that. All right, so let's put this toolkit aside. So if you're a beginner, you have everything you need and more. Moving everything aside. Now, what do we know about Laure? Laure, the artist. Well, this is small. I thought it would be bigger, guys. Laure has been an illustrator for children and adults since 2010. And she is very happy to be able to offer her illustrations for diamond paintings. Now, she has, I believe, 69 paintings in Oraloa. And what's cool about this company is that you can select the drill that you want. So either a round or square. I selected a round. All right, so let's look at the painting. Wow. So beautiful. Let's put this light back. Is that better? Okay, let's see. On the top, it says Oraloa. And then in the middle or the bottom says, let your creativity sparkle. Then you have a picture. And then it says Laure Phelipon, Princesa des Roses, which is Princess of Roses. And then it's 25 by 38.1 centimeters, which is in inches, 9.84 inches by 15. It's tiny, guys. And you have the legend on both sides. So you have the legend on the left-hand side on the top and another legend on the bottom on the right-hand side. And it has 3 rows. The first row tells you it has 31 colors. And then in the middle are the symbols, and the symbols are what you find in the painting, and that's where you're going to place your drills. And then, of course, the DMC and the DMC code. It tells you again, it has 1, 2, 3, 4 ABs and 1 special drill. It's very, very clear. The plastic is nice and thick. I'm going to bring it up so you can see her. Let's see. Let's do this. So we can flatten it out a little bit. I like the way it just lands softly. The canvas is very nice. And it is cotton. It's soft. Love that it has also scallop edges. It's got the pinholes. Okay, very nice. All right, so let me bring her up. I think it helps me if I look at the picture. So as you can see, she's got pinks and purple and some white highlights on her hair. And she also has like some jewelry, some decoration on her hair, which is here. This is the decoration. Then her beautiful highlights on her hair. And the background is like a pink purple color. So it's like a little lighter up here and a little darker, and then it gets darker down here. And then what I love about this is that obviously she's beautiful, but I love that she's doing the heart shape with her hands, which I love that. Her hands are very clear. She's wearing like, it looks like an orangey, like a little orange outfit. I don't know if that's little, let's see. I don't know if those are little flowers or just decorations or like leaves, and they're in orange, and then she has like a pink shirt. She has beautiful big blue eyes. She's just adorable. This is actually a very good size if you're traveling as a gift. Oh my gosh, she's so adorable. Very, very clear. Look at this, guys. Look at this. I mean, it does have a lot of confetti for a little painting. See here, this is color blocking. So that's going to be the same drill for a while over here, color blocking. But then when you go, well, her face is more color blocking, but her hair, because of all the different colors, it's more confetti, which is fine. I prefer confetti. Beautiful. Love her. All right, so let's look at the drills. Yeah. Let me move this aside. It's not a lot of colors. So actually, you know what we can do? I'm going to turn this like this, and I'm just going to lay them down so you can see them. Is that good? Yeah. And then we're going to see where those ABs belong. And the special, oh my gosh, I can already see the special drill, guys. It's like little roses. Oh, that's different. That's cool. Love that. And I think these are great bags. So if you, when you're kitting up, you don't need, you could actually leave them in here if you like. All right, so we have, this is where we need the light. This is 151. It's a pink. Can you see it there? 154. This is like a dark purple. I'm trying to see that you can see everything. Okay. This is 223. Also like a very, like a mauve maybe. 224. Very, very light peach color. So pretty. This is 310, which is black. Let me move this a little bit more like that. This one is 353, another peachy color. Let's move these over here a little closer. So we have more, so another one fits here. This is 603, it's a pink. 718. It's like a pink also, but like a darker pink. Yeah. 758, another like peachy color. 761, pink family. 814, it's like a reddish, dark reddish color. 894. 915. 917. 948. 3609. 3708. A lot of pink and the coral colors in here. 3713. Wow, love the color palette. 3722. 3768. 3778. And 3779. Can we fit that here? No, we can't see that. I'm trying to see if I push these a little bit more, I can squeeze this one here. Yeah, let's see. Then we have 3830. That's very pretty. 3833. 3834. And 3836. So these are the last regular drills, because these are the ABs and the special drill. So I'm gonna move that up, and that way you can see them. All right, so by looking at this, we have lots of pinks, lots of different color pinks, lots of purples, lots of I believe like salmon or coral colors. Beautiful, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Love this palette. All right, so let's move these aside. And now we're going to bring out the special drills and the ABs. Okay, so we have 444 AB. And this is like, it looks like a lemon yellow. Very pretty. And AB stands for Aurora Borealis. Just means that it's a drill with a extra shine to it. This is 602 AB. Very pretty pink. This is 819 AB. And this is 5200 AB. I believe this is white. It's Snow White, I think. And then this is the special drill. Oh my gosh, guys. So why 267? Look, it's little pink flowers. I think those are roses. Oh my gosh. So let's turn it around and let's see where these beautiful special drills and ABs go. All right, so this is when the legend comes in handy. So let's start with the first one, 444 AB, which is, if you look at the legend, it's the check. So wherever you see the check, let's see, and it's yellow. I thought it was going to be there. Huh, it's interesting. It's going to be over here, lots over here. Let's see. Let me look at that. Is that right? Yeah, 27 is the check. It's actually, she has like yellow highlights on her hair up here, because that's her hair. So yeah, it's like little yellow highlights. And more over here, down her hair. So it's got scattered. It's going to be on her hair. Some down here on her hair. Oh, wait, sorry, the glare. Okay, the next one. This one is going to be 602 AB, very pretty pink, and it's going to be letter H. Let's see. Where are you, H? It has to be on her hair. And it's so funny because, yeah, I can't find it. Oh my gosh. Where are you, H? Mamma mia. Let's see, K's. Is it in the background? Aha. It's actually over here. Lots of H's. So it's going to be her hair. It's going to be on her hair. Right there, I think. Yeah, it's her hair. Interesting. Okay. Very pretty. It's very, very pretty. Okay, this one is A19AB. I would call this delicate. She's just beautiful. Okay, this is going to be the minus sign. Is it on her face? Her hands? Nope. Ah, it's going to be on her hair, over here, right there. Okay, so far it's all on her hair. And then this one is going to be the diamond symbol. Where are you? I'm assuming, is it on the hair? No, it's going to be scattered. It's over here, all these little dots. Ah, it's the jewelry. Remember we said that she was wearing something very pretty on her hair? That's what it is. That's going to look so, it's like very delicate. I love this. And then this one is a little like flower, and you can't miss it. It's going to be all these big spots right here. Wow. Oh, because she's wearing a barrette, like a barrette. I don't know, a headband, not a barrette, a headband. You know, to pull your hair back, and it's holding her hair. Absolutely beautiful, guys. Love this painting. I got to get more of Oraloa. All right. So, yeah, I hope you guys love this painting as much as I do. And have a wonderful rest of the week. And I will be doing a couple of videos this week. All right. Bye-bye. And thank you very much.